If you want a high-quality photo background editor without paying for expensive programs, then you will need a mobile app called Apowersoft Background Eraser. It works perfectly both on Android and iOS devices. Using this app, you would have a fantastic photo by removing the background with ease and replace it with the stunning templates this app has offered. It offers an AI or artificial intelligence feature and a manual eraser tool to achieve a precise cutout. You can use its magic brush, edge, and hair manual editing tools. It has several solid color backgrounds for background options, including red, blue, white, gray, sky blue, and more. Besides that, this app has backdrop designs for profile, spring flower, global tour, nature, modern architecture, birthday, etc. To enhance your photo, you can use its Beautify feature. Adjust brightness and saturation. If you want to customize the size, then use its crop feature. You can also resize, duplicate and flip your image. Let's try the app. Go to your App Store and Play Store to search for the app and have it installed. Once done, you can use the first recognition for persons and passport photo, which is the Remove Person background. For products, clothes, jewelry, animals, etc., choose Remove Product Background. Lastly, Remove Logo Background is the last tab for logos, signatures, digital stamps, etc. Let's get started. Once you import the photo, you will see a precise cutout. Tap the Background option to change the cutout photo. You can use a plain color, a built-in backdrop, or your own desired background. Finally, tap the Save HD button to save to your device. There you have it. With Apowersoft Background Eraser, you can transform your dull background into more creative and excellent photos.